In the heart of Ethiopia, Gambella has long been a region marked by diversity, resilience, and, at times, strife. Yet, amidst the challenges, a powerful story of hope and peace has emerged, led by individuals committed to forging a better future for all its inhabitants. Changkuoth Nyak Changath, a dedicated newer language expert and passionate advocate for his community, has been at the forefront of this transformation. His journey began with a simple but profound belief that education and understanding are the cornerstones of lasting peace. Changkuoth knew that bridging the gaps between different ethnic groups in Gambella required more than just words. It required tangible actions and unwavering dedication. One of Changkuoth's first initiatives was the establishment of language and cultural exchange programs in local schools. By teaching students about the rich histories, languages, and traditions of their neighbors, he fostered mutual respect and empathy. Changkuoth's efforts didn't stop there. Recognizing the importance of education in empowering the next generation, he played a pivotal role in advocating for the inclusion of the newer language in Google Translate. This achievement symbolized more than just technological progress. It was a step towards recognizing and valuing the newer culture on a global scale, instilling a sense of pride and unity among the newer people. Moreover, to demonstrate his love for all the tribes residing in Gambella, Changkuoth created newer, Eniwak, and Mahjong keyboard applications for computers. This endeavor was not only a technological advancement, but a symbol of unity and respect for the linguistic diversity in the region. Despite the threats he faced from some Eniwak people for speaking out against those who destroy peace and target newer individuals, Changkuoth remained steadfast in his mission. He collaborated with Eniwak and Mahjong youth to foster love and unity within Gambella, showing that harmony is achievable through mutual respect and cooperation. Beyond education, Changkuoth's unwavering commitment to peace and development has inspired community-wide initiatives. He actively engages with local leaders, elders, and youth to address grievances and promote dialogue. His approach is rooted in the belief that blessings, rather than curses, should be shared and multiplied, fostering an environment where positive actions and attitudes can thrive. Despite these efforts, the Gambella government has been slow to recognize and support these initiatives. However, Changkuoth's journey is a testament to the power of character, resilience, and hope. His story resonates with the people of Gambella, reminding them that peace is possible when individuals come together with a shared vision for a better tomorrow. Through education, cultural understanding, and community engagement, Gambella is slowly but surely becoming a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, unity and peace can prevail.